Hello and welcome to class. I wanted to show you around my course and how to navigate the buttons and the layout as it's intended. So you can get there a couple of ways. One way would be to use the Ashland website. It's ashland.kctcs.edu and then click on My Path and then go to Blackboard. And another option is e-learning. You can go to elearning.kctcs.edu/ultra. That will take you directly to this page as well. So if My Path would be down for some reason, that's another way to get in. All right, so once you get to the course, the layout in Blackboard Ultra, you'll click on your courses and you should see all the current courses you're enrolled in. I'm going to move this to spring of 2021 and then click on our class. And there I am. So showing you around a little bit, we've got buttons down the left-hand side where you can see your announcements throughout the semester. So I think that's a very important feature right there. Also, Blackboard Collaborate. These are the two biggies I use here. Blackboard Collaborate, if you hit just join a session and course room and you tell me to be there, that's a place we can meet and we can share our cameras and see in real time. I can tutor and work with you. So those are the two left-hand buttons. And then on the right side, these are the tabs or the modules. You'll do the Start Here tab where you'll find all the nuts and bolts of the class, and they open up, and then you'll go through each one of these tabs and find information. And then the course material starts right here, your first module.